In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Click to Call button to Squarespace. A Click to Call button lets visitors tap once on a phone to start a call, which is great for bookings, sales, or support. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips so it looks and works the way you want. Start by opening your Squarespace website and navigating to the page where you want the button. Once you're on that page, click Edit so you're in the page editor. This lets you modify sections and blocks. Hover over the spot where you want the button to appear and click Add Block. From the block picker, choose Button. Squarespace will drop a default button into your layout, and you'll see its settings on the side. Click into the button's text field to highlight it. Then type the label you want, like Call Now or Call Our Team. Keep it short and action-focused, so visitors know exactly what will happen. Next, open the design panel for the button. Here, you can adjust how it looks. Choose Fill if you want a solid, high-contrast button that stands out and drives clicks. Choose Fit if you prefer a more minimal outline style that blends with subtle designs. Either works. Pick the one that best matches your site's style and accessibility needs. Make sure the text remains easy to read against the background. Now switch to Content to set where the button links. Click Attach Link to open the link options. In the link types, select Phone. This tells Squarespace you're creating a click-to-call action. In the phone field, type your business number exactly as you want it dialed. Include the country code if you get international calls, and avoid spaces or extra symbols to keep it clean. Squarespace will handle the tell link behind the scenes so mobile visitors can tap and call instantly. Click back on the button to confirm everything looks right on the page. Check the label, alignment, and spacing so it feels natural within the section. When you're happy with the design and the link, click Save. After saving, preview the page on a phone, or use your browser's mobile preview to ensure the button is visible and the call action triggers as expected. If it doesn't stand out enough, return to Design and switch between Fill and Fit, or adjust size and alignment for better visibility. That's it. You've added a clean, accessible click-to-call button to Squarespace. Keep your label clear, your number accurate, and your design